Quick video just to show you around the Perkins labs today. And what you can see here is a G1 Insight, all the control modules, basically mounted on the wall above my bench, so that I can interact with all the various systems. So we'll take a quick tour. Got a 12 volt power supply here, BCM on this left hand end, and here we've got the 4 battery temperature sensors. Here I've got 2 LEDs which indicate to me when the fan is operating in high or low. Here we've got the BCM battery current sensor. Now this is a modified BCM. This has actually got the voltage tap monitor circuitry installed. So above that we've got the voltage tap monitor display. That's the prototype one, which I've been working on for some time. And we've got a dash gauge wired up, quite a few of the connections, but not all of them at the moment. And we've got a BCM interceptor here, which is intercepting the signals driving the charge assist and battery gauge from the MCM, just so I can manipulate that if I want to. So we've got the MCM in the middle, and the OBD port there, which I can plug into my OBD gauge. And we've got 2 more BCM interceptors here. We've got one intercepting signals from the BCM to the MCM. That's the one I used in my lithium cars, etc., to fake state of charge and control various other functions. And we've got this one intercepting signals from the MCM to the BCM. And we've got a power distribution bus here, OBD plug. And then we've got the an ECM here. This is a UK ECM. And I can just unplug these modules and plug in modules from different countries and different years as I want to. And on the right hand side we've got the US TCM traction control module for the CVT. Above that I've got one of my OBD gauges, which is operating, as you can see. That's plugged into the OBD port. And finally we've got a immobilizer and key programming gizmo from the steering wheel, and that's obviously talking to the ECM. And on the bench we've got a couple of spare ECMs. That's a US one, 2004 car, that's a US CVT. And on the wall here, go back a bit further, we've got a blank space, and that's where the HCH1 Civic is going to go. I've got all the parts, but I haven't assembled it all yet. Just going further along the bench to see what else I've got going on here. You can see the battery boost made out of 2 old sticks. Below that you can see a very simple grid charger, which I use for bench charging batteries on the bench, and the ubiquitous 300R 100 watt ceramic resistor, which I use for discharging. Nothing sophisticated about that at all. So back to the G1 setup. There you can see working G1 on the bench, allowing me to interact with the various data that is going on between the modules. So hopefully that should allow me to develop some more gadgets in the near future.